Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we tell you how to buy business email with easy mails. So let's start. How we can create an email looks professional and not only use at gmail.com or something like that. Instead of this, we can use info at your company name.com, and this is very important to look professional as business. With easy mails, we can buy business email without any problem and with security. So let's go to easymail.com, and here just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We will use this one that is mailer. This is one for a month for $2.99 per month. We have here the benefits also. It's important, guys, to mention you that if you click on the link below and use our code, you will get the 80% off from that price per month. So also it's important to know that we have the 30-day money back guarantee. It means that if you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. So then when it's ready to do it, just click here on order. On order, you have here the benefits of custom email. So we have here the three mailboxes, unlimited data traffic, secure checks, and also important, guys, that I told you, if you want to have, for example, the email in quickly way, you can get it in 2 minutes or less. And also, if you want to have support from this, you can get support 24 hours and easily and quickly. Now just click here on order now, and you will transfer to this page for payment. As you see, this is the price. Just add the promotion codes as I told you before. Just write how to and just click on apply it, and then this is the price, the final price. You see that is the 80% off for a month. You can write here the email, you can write here the business email of your support, and then here you write your payment method, that is your card number, month and year, CVC, your card holder name here, and also the region. You can select the region that you prefer, and if you want to save the information, you can do it. If not, don't select it. Then just click on subscribe, and you can subscribe to get your business email. That's easy, as you told you. And well, guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.